Here's the trick how you can remember antiretrovirals very easily. So first are integrase inhibitors. They ends with gravir. So they are raltegravir, alveltegravir, and dolutegravir, and bictegravir. They are protease inhibitors. They ends with navir. So they are ritonavir, atazanavir, and darunavir. Third are non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. They have vir in their name. They are nevirapine, efavirenz, etravirine, and rilpivirine. Fourth are NRTI, that is nucleoside or nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor. They end with IN or VIR. So they are zidovudine, lamivudine, emtricitabine, abacavir, tenofovir.